Hi everybody, we now study the volumes. Volumes, the number of units which a solid consists of, is called the volume of solid. Again, volume, the number of units which a solid consists of, is called the volume of solid. For example, find the volume of each of the following solids. Find the volume of each of the following solids. Consider the volume of 1 cube equal 1 cubic centimeter. We count now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then volume equals 5 cubes or 5 cubic centimeter. Okay? Again, find the volume of each of the following solids. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then volume equal 5 cubic centimeter. Units of volume. Units of volume. Units of volume: cubic meter, cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter. Again, units of volume: cubic meter, cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter. From cubic meter to cubic decimeter, time 1,000. Cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter, time 1,000. Cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter, time 1,000. But cubic millimeters, cubic centimeter divided 1,000. Cubic centimeter to cubic decimeter divided 1,000. Cubic decimeter to cubic meter divided 1,000. For example, number 1, 6 cubic meter equals what cubic decimeter? We said from cubic meter to cubic decimeter, what? Excellent. Times 1,000. Times 1,000. Again, we want 6 cubic meter equals what cubic decimeter? From cubic meter to cubic decimeter. From cubic meter to cubic decimeter. Yes, excellent. Times 1,000. Then 6 times 1,000 equals 6,000. Okay? Another example. Number 2, 0.7 cubic decimeter equals what cubic centimeter? 0.7 cubic decimeter, from cubic decimeter to cubic centimeter. From cubic decimeter to cubic centimeters, what? Excellent. Times 1,000. Times what? 1,000. So 0.7 times 1,000 equals what? Yes, equals 700. Equals what? 700. Number 3, 0.8 cubic centimeters equals what cubic millimeters? Okay, from cubic centimeters to cubic millimeters, yes, times 1,000. From cubic centimeter to cubic millimeters, times 1,000 equals what? Equals 800. Then, number 4, 80,000 cubic centimeters equals what cubic decimeters? From cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters. Cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters divided, excellent, divided 1,000, then equals 80 cubic decimeters. Number 5, 0.6 cubic decimeters equals what cubic centimeters? 0.6 cubic decimeters equals what cubic centimeter? From cubic decimeters to cubic centimeters. What time? Yes, excellent. Time is 1000. Again, 0.6 cubic decimeters equal what cubic centimeter? Time is what? Time is 1000. Equals 600 cubic centimeter. Number 6. 5000 cubic centimeters equals what cubic decimeters? 5000 cubic centimeters equals what cubic decimeter? From cubic centimeter to cubic decimeters. Cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters, yes, divided 1000 equals 5. Number 7. 4 cubic meters equal what cubic decimeters? 4 cubic meters equals what cubic decimeter? From cubic meter to cubic decimeters. From cubic meters to cubic decimeters, yes, time is 1000. Then 4 times 1000 equals 4000. Then for cubic meters equal 4000 cubic decimeters. Volume of cube. Volume of cube. Volume of cube equal each length times itself times itself. Then volume of cube equals side times side times side. For example, what is the volume of cube if edge length 3 centimeters? Then its sides equal 3 centimeters. We want what? Volume of cube. Volume of cube equals what? Yes, excellent. Side times side times side. Then equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals what? Excellent. 27 what? Yes, cubic centimeter. Okay? Cubic centimeter. Number 2, what is the volume of cube? Of edge length 2 centimeter. Then side equal 2 centimeter. We want what? Yes, excellent. Volume of cube. Volume of cube equals what? Excellent. Equals what? Side times side times side. Then 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 cubic centimeter. Okay. Number 3, find the volume of cube of edge length 5 centimeter. Then side equal 5 centimeter. We want volume of cube. Then volume of cube equals side times side times side equals 5 times 5 times 5 equal 125 cubic centimeter. Find the volume. Number 4. Find the volume of cube of edge length 6. Then side equal 6 centimeter. We want volume of cube. Volume of cube equals what? Excellent. Side times side times side. Then equals 6 times 6 times 6 equals what? 216 cubic centimeter. Then volume of cube equals side times side times side equals 6 times 6 times 6 equal 216 cubic centimeter. Excellent. We revise volume, perimeter of a square equals what? Side times 4. Perimeter of a square equals side times 4. Perimeter equals side of a square equals side times 4. If we want sides, then side equal perimeter divided 4. Then side equal perimeter divided 4. If we want side equal perimeter divided 4. Okay? Okay. Find number 1. Find the volume of cube if you want volume of cube. If the perimeter of one of its face equal 8, then volume equal was what? Side times side. But we have perimeter. We can get side from perimeter. Yes, side equals perimeter divided 4 equals 8 divided 4 equal 2 centimeter. We can get the volume, yes, of cube, yes, volume of cube equals side times side, then equals what? Yes, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 cubic centimeter. Another one. Find the volume of cube if the perimeter of one of its face equal 20. Perimeter equal 20 centimeter. We want side to get volume. Side equal perimeter divided 4, equals 20 divided 4 equals 5 centimeter. Then side equal 5 centimeter. We can get volume, yes. Volume of cube equal side times side times side, 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125 cubic centimeter. Okay? Cube has 12 edges. We count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Note, cube has 12 edges. How come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then cube has 12 edges. Okay. The sum of lengths of all edges of cube equal 36 centimeters. Find its volume. Volume of cube. We know volume of cube equals side times side times side, but we have sum of all edges of cube. We want side. Side equals 36 divided 12. Why? Because cube has 12 edges. Then each one side we get 36 divided 12 to get the A1 side. 36 divided 12 equals 3 centimeters. Then if we have sum of lengths of all edges divided 12, then equals 3. This is one side. If one side equals 3 centimeters. One side equals 3 centimeters. Then we can calculate the volume of cube equals what? Excellent. Side times side times side. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 cubic centimeters. Another one. The sum of lengths of all edges equal 24. We want the volume of cube. If we want the volume of cube equals what? Side times side times side. But we have sum of all edges. Okay? We divided it into 12 equals what? 2. Then side equals 24 divided 12 equals what? Equal 2 centimeters. Then volume of cube equals side times side times side equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 cubic centimeter. Number 3, the sum of lengths of all edges of cube is 60 centimeter. Find the volume. 60 divided what? Excellent, thank you. It divided 12. We get side, we divide 60, divided 12 equals what? Equal 5 centimeter. Then volume of cube equals side times side times side. Yeah, then equal 5 times 5 times 5 equal 125 cubic centimeter. Okay, thank you everybody, thank you.